Hey guys, it's Hudson Lighting and I'm your host, Chris Hudson. I thought I'd add that bit for a bit of fun. So today what I wanted to do is show you how we replace the LEDs on a fitting. Very occasionally, not very often, but it happens, we have an LED that fails on site. And this is the video that shows you how to replace the LEDs, how simple it is. So this, I'm doing it on a ultra wide spotlight, but every fitting, 1 to 3 watts, is going to be pretty much the same. So first step is to unscrew the top. And if there is an optic or anything inside this, you'll need to take that off. So we'll put that around to the side. Now the spare LED that we send out to you comes in a little bit of foam like this. And just to keep in mind, there's a little bit of blue paste on the back here, and that needs to remain on there. Okay. So to remove the existing LED, what you're going to do, either long nose tweezers, or you can use a flathead screwdriver, and you just, or long nose pliers, and you just need to just lever up just a little at a time either side, or if your tweezers or pliers are any good, and these tweezers that I'm using right now are not the best, basically you just want to grab it and just pull it up. There you go. So that's it out. You can see the paste is expanded into a little mess here. I'm just going to just rearrange that paste to bring it under the LED thermal pad which sits in the middle here. Now to replace the LED, all you do, insert the new LED in, making sure, sorry, just to show you, making sure that we line up the pins and the sockets. So we're just pushing straight in, straight on there. Don't really want to touch the LED itself as such, but you can just push down with the back of the tweezers or your screwdriver or whatever, and just push down firmly all the way around the ball, just to make sure it's got a nice contact area. And that is it. That's all you need to do. And if you have an optic, put your optic back in and screw the top back on, and you're away. That's easy, right? It's really easy. Let me know in the comments what you think. We've tried to make it as easy as we possibly can do, whilst maintaining the fact that we've got this red error LED and a white LED in one body. Yeah, anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one.